In this video, we're going to be going over multiplying tenths by hundredths. So our problem is going to be 4 and 5 tenths multiplied by 2 and 25 hundredths. The important thing that changes when we're multiplying by the hundredths place is the amount of boxes in our area model. So since we have 3 place values when we're in the hundredths place, we need enough boxes. So in this case, we're going to have 6 boxes, 3 up top for our hundredths number, and 2 on the left side for our tenths number. We're going to convert 2 tenths into a fraction right away, and convert 5 hundredths into a fraction. We're going to do the same thing, 4 wholes and 5 tenths. We're going to multiply into each box. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Our whole number goes over 1, so we can multiply it by a fraction. 8 over 10. And then we're going to multiply it by the hundredths place. So 4 over 1 again, multiplied by 5 over 100. And we're always going to remember when we're multiplying fractions, we always multiply across. 4 multiplied by 5 gives us 20 over 1 multiplied by 100, 100. Now we're going to do the bottom column. 2 multiplied by 1. 10 tenths. Again, remembering we multiply across. We're going to do 5 multiplied by 2, gives us 10. And then 10 multiplied by 10 gives us hundredths. So we're now in the hundredths place. For our last box, we're going to have 5 tenths multiplied by 5 hundredths, giving us 25 thousandths. So now we know we're going to have 4 place values because we have now jumped to the thousandths place. We can now convert these back to decimals. So here we're going to have 8 tenths, 20 hundredths, 1 whole, 10 hundredths, and 25 thousandths. We're going to use that 0 to fill the place value so we can get all the way to the thousandths place. So we're going to now add all of our final answers together to get our product. So we have 8 added to 0.8 tenths. We can fill them with zeros if that's easier. You don't have to fill it with zeros. And always starting to the right, we have 5 in our thousandths place, 2 in our hundredths place, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we carry the 1, 1 in our tenths place, and 8 plus 1 plus 1 gives us 10. So our final answer is 2 and 125 thousandths.